Sir, will deposit 10 lakh, Lordship, if Lordship permit.
Why 10 lakhs?
Lordship, at present he is capable to deposit 10 lakh.
Lordship,
20,000 ये मुझे पे करता है, लेकिन 20,000 कुछ भी नहीं होता है मेरे लिए। तो अभी फैमिली कोर्ट से जो ऑर्डर मुझे मिला है 1 करोड़, वो सिर्फ मेरे लिए नहीं, मुझे दोनों डॉटर का शादी, जो भी फर्दर उन लोगों का एजुकेशन सब मुझे ही करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ये कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा है। तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि मेरा जो ऑर्डर फैमिली कोर्ट ने दिया है वही मुझे मिले। मेरे लिए ये कम ही है, क्योंकि आजकल 1 करोड़ 2 बेटी को शादी देना, एजुकेशन मैंने ही पूरा कंप्लीट किया उन दोनों का, 14 ईयर्स से मेरे साथ है। वही मैं प्रे करती हूँ कि मेरा जो मिलना चाहिए मुझे आप लोग वो दें।
May I please?
yes.
Lordship, in this matter, will deposit 10 lakh, Lordship, if Lordship permit.
Why 10 lakhs?
Lordship, at present he is capable to deposit 10 lakh.
Lordship, 50% of the granted alimony should be paid for to fix it for admission hearing, Lordship.
If you deposit 50 lakhs, then we'll proceed for hearing.
Lordship, 50 lakh is too high. Lordship, senior is.
Yes, Mr. Mahanna. 50 lakhs.
Milord,
He's quite well off.
Milord, that is of course the perception, what I find. If your Lordship kindly go to the European order, my submission is that there is no iota of evidence. Nothing has been discussed what is the income of the family. Simply 1 crore. On merit, if your Lordship be pleased to see, what you will find there is no evidence at all, nothing has been discussed, and it is admitted that there is no evidence has been laid. The learned judge has recorded it. No evidence has been made.
Lordship, it is we are on the course of hearing.
So now, because question of stay, and if your Lordship,
Mr. Mahanda, do you want live streaming?
Lordship,
Do you want live streaming or you want to stop the live streaming?
live streaming.
Yes.
Live streaming, my Lordship is doing live streaming. I have no option that way. But
It's a
if your
matrimonial-
Lordship wants to hear the whole matter,
It's a matrimonial case.
metropolis.
So, if you want to proceed, we can proceed, otherwise we can stop the live.
Yes, yes, yes. I leave it to you.
Just headline.